Hello everybody, in today's video we'll be going over how to buy USDT on Pancakeswap, so try to stick around to the end of today's video. It's going to be a very simple and very straightforward tutorial. Let's get started right into it. So the first thing is you have to make sure that you are on Pancake.finance. HTTPS also is the URL, so it's a secure link. There's nothing fishy going on. That's why I'm telling you guys to focus on those tutorials, because you may make mistakes and actually get scammed or something, which is not going to be cool whatsoever. Then head to CoinMarketCap. Make sure the website is coinmarketcap.com. As I said, there's fake of those websites, so yeah, make sure to do that. So here's the USDT, is the third thing right here. You can find it right here. So what we are going to do is copy the contract address of the USDT on the Binance Smart Chain network. But before we do that, make sure to have a wallet that's supported in, as you can see, one of those wallets that Pancakeswap supports. I'm gonna choose MetaMask. It's going to be a default one for most of people. As you can see, you're going to be prompted by unlock, and after this you'll also be prompted to click yes or no. Probably just click yes, you don't have to worry. Pancakeswap is a pretty famous one. That's something I'm telling you. If it was not famous, if it was not reliable, you would click you would make sure to read what does the website do with your wallet. So right here, as you can see, I have some BNB. We are going to swap BNB for USDT, but this works like literally for any token you own in the Binance Smart Chain network. Make sure to also import the network right here. As you can see, add network and add the Binance Smart Chain network. You'll find a video about that in our channel. So yeah, click on trade, swap right here. Make sure the wallet is connected. All of that is done. So then we are going to head to the cake. We are going to just go ahead and click on more and copy the Binance Smart Chain. Copy and boom, paste. As you can see, this is the USDT and it's already active, so I'm just gonna choose it. Yeah, you can just like write USDT and it will appear right here. All right, and yeah, you can choose max value and then you will swap that value for USDT and then just click swap and you'll be good to go.